What's up, folks? This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. This is Java for Beginner Part 8. Last time we showed to you guys whatever I did. Let me share with you screen here. So we did go through the bytes, double, and float, in data type, int variable, sort data. So now in data type, we already have it. So now I'm going to create one more things, which is extend class for int, something like some fancy cool stuff. You can guys take a look. So now new Java class int extend in extend class. Okay, so now I have this. So now let me create the main method. I'm just copy this, just saving some time. Int extend class. Okay. So now that we have main method here, indexed class. Last time we saw if you go in class, in data type, and explain what is the int range number and how to declare the variable, and you can the print out what's come. Like example, if I print out this one, run is running. So you see the number, whatever number is provided is written is exists. So now I'm not going to go to the past class. Let's go to the new class. Index. So now, so we're going to try this time, create some multiple variable and call this variable. So now, example, int apple equal 20. Int orange equal 20. Int banana equal 10. So now we have a three variable, three separate variables. So int apple, orange, and banana. Every variable have unique number, and variable as a think about as a product. So apple is 20, orange also 20, and banana is 20. Now question again, why we are using variable? There is a proof why we need a variable. So now if I call here only 20 or hard-coded 20, example like 20, okay, so this 20 is hard-coded and we don't know this country belongs to who. Might be belongs to apple, might be belong to orange or something else. Am I right? So why you need Java? Java have fancy cool stuff. Why you need variable? That's the proof. If I say apple here and we run, we get 20. We get exactly 20, but this 20 we know is apple 20. This is not from orange, because value can be multiple, value can be same, but the variable cannot be same. Example, if I say a apple and apple 20, does it make sense? So now it's not make sense for me at all, because it's apple 20, apple 20. Why I'm calling same variable over and over? Am I right? That's why we are keeping the way. If I say apple 20, one time is apple 20. Okay, so now orange. So now we have different variable, have different number or same unique number. One variable represent the value of this variable. So now we know the apple. So example, I told you, give me the total variable. What's the total number of this variable? So now I want roll number. So same way, how is the calculator work? Plus orange plus banana. Okay, if you print out now, you will be get 50. Boom. So now I want apple, orange, and minus banana. Okay, what happened? $30. Okay, from 40, 20 plus 20, 40 minus 10 is 30. Or you want divide it like that. Okay, apple plus orange is 40 divided by 10. So what will happen? Let's do it. 22. So now, so this is the correct number. They're giving the solid number. So now we see how alphabetical or mathematically work with apple work with, sorry, the integer. How is it work? Example, if I say, remember, if I say equal, I say apple. In Java, if you say equal, that means it has to be double equal. In Java have syntax like that, because this equal, one equal I already variable in past here. So that's why not confusion. Java invented, if you see equal is like that. So now if I say it, run this one, let's see what happened. False. You see, they're returning the false because apple represent 20, banana represent 10. So this I'm saying here apple equal banana. So this is not true, this is a false. They're returning the false. So if I say it, if it's a not equal in Java, if it's a not equal, it represents like that. So like this, run. It should be true because apple not equal banana. It's true because apple 20 and banana is the 10. See how is it can happen? Now, if I said apple minus orange minus banana. Okay, if I run this, minus 10. So cool guys, some cool stuff. We just see how integer work a little bit. We will be in our, if you use in future Java, you will know the integer will be used very often, and how we pass the variable or parameterize, you will know. And these things is actually very important in for Java, especially integer and string. So let's start with new class with string. So see you soon guys. That's it for today.